Imagine having tools predicting market trends. Imagine knowing the highest risks in our decisions. Imagine finding a team thinking independently, not just relying on management. Why pursue this? What defines our triumph? What unique value do we offer the world? Empower your team with decision-making to make them confident and courageous. Trust experts to create a superior product. Open up leadership. Break down barriers to let the best ideas shine. Build a strong corporate culture and values to shape a more powerful motivation for teams. Time is racing, and slow bureaucratic processes no longer cut it. In long approval chains, businesses lose energy, creativity, and speed. Innovation is the lifeblood of success. Stagnation is not an option. It's a race, and lagging means losing ground in the market. How much longer, do you think? Can we ride on the trust of old clients? Unleashing talents, collaboration, and co-creation, boldness to try, speed of delivery, continuous improvement. No need for fancy productivity tools when inspiration drives people. No need to push a rowing team when they bring home treasure. Because we create with purpose. Because we believe our success is measured not just in money, but in the joy of those who benefit. Because every team member should feel and be a part of our shared victory. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's stoke your fire.